Web capture is a really cool feature in Edge that's going to save you time. So you can click down here, click web capture or Control Shift S. I'll also show you how you can add the button higher. But when you click it, it's a way of capturing an area of the screen, just like you would with a screenshot, but then depending on your tool, you might screenshot and crop. And it also gives you the ability to annotate. So you can either capture the full page, just like that, or if I click it again, you could capture an area, which is the default. So I could capture just the Google section. And then straight away, I've got an option to copy it if I'm going to paste it somewhere straight away. Or if I want, I can even annotate. So for anybody with a stylus device, you can then write all over this. Okay. You can change your color and things of the pen and the thickness. So you can annotate up something if you want to. You can share it. And it gives you the option what to share it to. So you could share it into OneNote, for example. And that button up there is copy. So if you were, say, making a presentation, it's an incredibly quick way to then paste it in. Instead of having to open up more apps, you can do it in just a couple of clicks. If you were going to do this a lot, I'd advise you to make it so there's a button up here to save you time, because again, it saves you a click. So if you go to settings, appearance, scroll down, you will see web capture button. And if you enable that, you get a button by default up here. So again, just one click and you're capturing things that you can then copy. Okay, so it's a very quick way of screenshotting and cropping and everything at the same time. It's like the snipping tool, but it's built into Edge.